I learned a lot uh, in this training, especially how it works, how the basic design of Hvac, and some details information regarding to design a Hvac system.
I'm learning is about HVAC more in detail lah. So actually this course is new for me lah. So Dr. Jaya explained very well, very detailed and very easy to understand from a non-technical issue also.
He is very knowledgeable, okay? And we did ask a lot of questions of the current problem that we have, and he answered all.
So the food and environment all okay lah. The conditioning, the place, the water and also other kids material training. The food also very healthy lah.
The environment is good. The temperature, everything is okay. And of course the facility is a good hotel.
OTC Training Center, Sendirian Berhad, delivering the best training for you.